All right, we got some roofing going on. Let's check it out. Oh, what do they got in there? What do they got in there? Nah, baby. Don't go. Baby. Don't go. I said don't go. They're working on the roof. What if something slide down? It's dangerous.
That's the door, I think. I think we need fine.
No.
Go look at their house. Let me go see what they got in the back.
Why don't you just go through this way? Got some work going on. See? Did you see that, baby? All right. That's why I think it's dangerous.
You like their roofing or ours?
I like ours.
They go with the color of their house, you know?
Yeah. I mean, they both look good, but I feel like,
Ours black.
yeah, it kind of looks a little better to me. But like, yeah, there's that one matches really nicely with the color. I'm pretty sure the pros know what they're doing with the color scheme, because I sure would. That one stands out.
Yeah. Oh, he got a harness on him.
Yeah, that's good.
That's scary.
Yeah, that is scary.
I'll be so scared too.
Because I'm sure it don't take much to slip.
Yeah.
And I'm clumsy. Sheesh.
Right.
And you gotta lift all that?
Right.
Heck no. I would've used that rope like 10 times from slipping. Oh crap. Wait, where are you going, baby? From different angles?
Yeah. Yeah, they're watching. I have to make sure I do a good job. You know?
Oh, he's like, oh, let me take a break. Yo, it feels scary from right here.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool how they do it though. Too bad we can't get like, solar panels. The Tesla solar shingles. Anyways, you wanna roll? I think nah, don't go that way. Let's go back around this house. Oh yeah, that's better.